Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add shipping cost here in Clickfunnels. All right. I assume the fact that you already have a product, okay, under here. Now, if you don't have a product here and you don't know how to make one, go ahead and look it up on our channel. We have a separate video for it with a step-by-step guide on how to create a product here in Clickfunnels. Okay, as you can see here I have one. So once you have your product, just go ahead over to the left panel and click on Workspace Settings. Okay, click. Now you're going to want to go ahead and go to Shippings or Shipping. Click on it. And here, all we have to do is just click on Create a Shipping Profile. Okay. By default, we do have a general profile right here, which applies to, of course, the zero product, and the shipping zone is both United States and to the rest of the world. So if you want a more specific shipping or shipping cost, go ahead and click on Create Shipping Profile. Okay. Name it, for example, $1 book plus shipping fee. All right. Just like that. Hit on Create Profile. Wait for it. Leave the name as is. Add a product. Select products right here. As you can see, my product is ebook and it's not on the list because it is a digital product. So you'll have to create a physical product. Okay. Now let's go back to the setting later. I'm just going to go ahead and create a simple product right here. There you go. Create physical my book like so. Create product. One time amount is $1, set price, and it's done. All right. So I'm just going to go ahead over to a workspace again, shipping. I'm going to go ahead and edit this shipping profile. Click on the gear icon. Now we're going to go ahead and select the product. There you have it. Select shipping zones. It could be anywhere, or you can go ahead and create your own shipping zones. Okay. But before clicking on this button, make sure to update your profile first. Okay. Now scroll down, create a shipping profile zone or create shipping zone. Now zone name, for example, United States or for United States, like so. Go ahead and find it. US. There you go. Select all from United States if you want to and create a zone. All right. So for United States, the rate would be, for example, we have the rate name as free shipping or add a new rate name. Okay. For example, shipping cost. It could be $10 for United States. Create. Now, if you want to add in more shipping zone, go ahead and do so and click on rest of the world. Okay. If you just want to prices for your book or for your shipping. Okay. Rest of the world. I'm sorry, the zone name. Rest of the world. Like so. Create. Wait for it. And for the rest of the world, it would be priced maybe $20 ad rate. All right. The shipping cost would be $20. Create. Also, as you might have noticed, you can go ahead and add in some conditions, okay, right here. Based on item weight, based on order price. If you want that, you can go ahead and customize it. If not, just leave it as is. And that's basically how you do it. All right, once that's done, you're good to go. But if you want to add in more products in this particular shipping profile, you can go ahead and select products from here, okay? Maybe in the future. Now, if you want to use it for your funnel, you can go ahead and do so by just going to funnels right here. Maybe this one. All right. Maybe you'd add it in on a pop-up. Doesn't matter. There you go. So pop-up, show pop-up, add section, maybe an offer section like so. This one. I'm going to hit on save. Now I'm going to go ahead and edit this a block. All right. Maybe here. And as you can see, we now have this shipping option. Okay, just click on it and enable the shipping options. All right. If you want to change the headline, go ahead and do so. And then in the checkout preview, you can go ahead and select returning customer, upgrade, downgrade, or one-time offer. Hit on save and you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.